and moving away at the speed of 35 miles per hour. In how much time will car A pass car B? Now, let's first draw the road on which car A and car B are on. This is the road that both car A and car B are on. Here is Houston, H for Houston. Car A is right here. Car A is traveling towards Houston at the speed of 45 miles per hour. So 45 mph. So this means that the distance from here to here is 50 miles. So car B is right here. Car B. Car B is traveling in the same direction as car A. Car A is traveling this way. So car B is also traveling this way and is going away from the city. Car B is traveling at the speed of 35 miles per hour. 35 mph, miles per hour. So this means that the distance from here to here is 19 miles. Now, let's first find the extra distance, or how much farther car A will have to travel than car B. Car A has to travel 50 plus 19 more miles than car B. So 50 plus 19 is equal to 69 miles. Now let's find how much faster car A is than car B. Car A is traveling at the speed of 45 miles per hour. So 45 miles per hour minus the speed at which car B is traveling at, which is 35 miles per hour. 35 miles per hour. So minus 35 is equal to 10 miles per hour. So this means that, let's do this in a different color. So this means that in 1 hour, car A will travel 10 more miles than car B. Let's label this column hours and this column miles. H for hours and M for miles. So in how many hours will car A travel 69 more miles than car B to pass car B? Let's label this T, T for time. Now to solve this part of the problem, we need to cross multiply. This means we multiply 1 with 69 and 10 with T, or T with 10. So we get 10 times T, 10 times T is equal to 69 times 1 is equal to 69. Now, we need to get T on one side of the equation. So, we need to divide both sides of the equation by 10 to get rid of this 10. Divide by 10, divide by 10. So we get T is equal to 69 divided by 10 is 6.9 hours. So it takes car A, let's write this answer in the different column. It takes car A 6.9 hours to pass car B. Now let's verify if this is correct. Let's first start with car B. But before we start with car B, let's first get this drilled in our mind. The speed, S for speed, is equal to the D for distance over T for time. So this means that the distance is equal to the speed times the time. So let's start with car B. So this means that BD, car B's distance that it traveled, let's do it down here, BD is equal to the speed times the time, which is, the speed is 35 miles per hour to 35 times the time, which is 6.9 hours. We get 35 times 6.9 is equal to 241.5 miles. Now we have to add the extra 19 miles that he had covered already. So let's do that. 241.5 miles plus the extra 19 miles of a head start that he had from Houston to car B, which is 260.5 miles. Let's write that here. He had traveled in total from Houston to itself 260.5 miles. M for miles. Now let's do car A. Car A. AD, the distance that car A traveled, AD is equal to the speed, which is 45 miles per hour. 45 times the time. 6.9 hours is the time that it takes for car A to pass car B. So times 6.9. We get 310.5 miles. But this 310.5 miles is from here. We need to find how much it is from after Houston. So we have to subtract the 15 miles, which was from where car A had started, to Houston. So minus 50 is equal to 260.5 miles. So car A traveled 260.5 miles before it passed car B, which was at the same distance of 260.5 miles after Houston. So, is equal to 260.5 miles. So this means that it takes 6.9 hours for car A to pass car B. So this means that this answer is correct. 2. Thank you for watching this video.